first grade. Welcome to regroup or not to regroup. That is the question. When you subtract, you're not always going to have to regroup. Sometimes you can just subtract. You just need to pay close attention to the numbers and do what they're telling you to do. So I have 4 problems on my page, and sometimes we'll need to regroup and sometimes we won't. So you're going to want to get a paper and a pencil and pause this video while you write down these 4 problems. As you're writing them down, take a moment and think about which ones are we going to need to regroup in and which ones will we just get to subtract. All right, let's start up in this corner with 73 minus 49. Take a moment and think, are we going to have to regroup or not? Well, the real way to know is to go to that ones place and look at what the numbers are telling us. 3, take away 9. Can we do that? We can't. 3 is smaller than 9. If I have only 3 pennies, I can't take away 9. So in this problem, we will need to regroup. We're going to go next door. We're going to take one of the 10s and trade it in for 10 ones. Do you remember what to do? I'm going to cross the 7 out because it's now 6 10s. And I'm going to cross the 3 out. I'm going to add 10 to it, and it's really going to be 13 ones because, again, whoops, I have regrouped it. Now we can just subtract. 13 take away 9, we can do that because 13 is bigger than 9. 13 take away 9 is 4. And 6 take away 4 is 2. The answer is 24. Okay, let's go to this problem. 76 minus 14. What do you think? Do we need to regroup or do we just get to subtract? Let's take a look in the ones place. If we have 6, can we take 4 away? If I have 6 fingers, do I have enough to take 4 away? I do. 6 is bigger than 4, so we just get to subtract. 6 take away 4 is 2. You saw my fingers. And now 7 take away 1. And that is 6. The answer is 62. Okay, let's come down here to this box. We have 91 minus 40. What do you think? Do we need to regroup or do we just get to subtract? Let's look at the ones place. That's the only way we can really tell. If I have 1, can I take 0 away? If I have 1 finger, can I take 0 away? Well, yeah, I'm not really doing anything. It just stays the same. So we don't need to regroup this problem. We just get to subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. And now we're going to go to the 10s place. And we have 9 and we're going to take away 4. What is 9 take away 4? It's 5. The answer is 51. Okay, one last problem. 60 minus 23. Do you think we're going to need to regroup? Or do we just get to subtract? And if we do have to regroup, why? Okay. 0 take away 3. If I have 0, can I take anything away from it? No, I can't. So we're going to need to regroup. And we're going to go next door. We're going to take one of the 10s and trade it in for 10 ones. And we're going to show that on our paper by crossing out the 6 because it's going to become a 5 when we take one of the 10s. And then we'll trade it in for 10 ones. So we'll add 10 there. This is always that tricky part because you have to add a little bit doing subtraction with regrouping. Isn't that crazy? So 0 plus 10 is 10. Now we just get to subtract. 10 take away 3. 10 take away 3 is 7. And 5 take away 2. I have 5. I'm going to take away 2. It's 3. All right. Thank you, first grade, for joining me in to regroup or not to regroup. That was the question.